I just wanted to quickly show everybody how simple it is to switch over to Think Energy. Right here, you just have to enter your zip code and then click View Offer. And we have four products right here, and this is the Bangor Hydro Versant area. We have a 12-month, a 36-month, and a 7-month plan. And also we have a community solar. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in and sign up for your first plan, which is just electricity. And then once you sign up for your electricity, you're going to have to go back in to sign up for solar. And with that, that's a 10% discount on your electric supply and delivery. So all you have to do to sign up is just click right here on a sign up. My wife's information is already loaded on this computer. So all you have to do is put your first name, last name, and an email address. On the next page, they're just looking for the street address that your service is for your electricity. So right here, all the information again is loaded up, and as you can see, just looking for your cell phone, date of birth, last four social. This is your account number with either Versant or CMP. Then all you have to do is upload an image so that they can see your address and your account number on a bill. If you can see it in your photo, then you're good to go. You just upload it and then you hit next. And once that's done, they're going to send email verification. And then once you hit verification, you're all set. And then you just need to go back in again, like I stated before, go back through and do the same process with solar. And at the end, they will ask you for a credit card because this is automatic payments. You can do a credit card, prepaid card, or your bank account. And I hope, you guys decide to switch over and we can make some money for both the girls softball and the baseball teams. Thanks.